I got the package unit open right now, and the issue is, obviously, as you can see, we got the heater on, but no burners. So we're not even actually burning heat. It is running. So we're gonna go ahead, turn the disconnect off, bleed the gas, see if this could be one of the issues. All right, so just cracked. Used my adjustable wrench, pipe wrench, cracked the gas line. And I'm just gonna bleed the system until I smell some good gas, see if this could be an issue. And then we're gonna turn the unit back on, see what it does. You can actually hear it hissing. It smells good. So go ahead and snug it back up. Alrighty, we got it jumping, as you can see.